Welcome to the last video in the series of SolarEdge Energy Bank instructional videos. In this video, we'll show you how to safely uninstall the SolarEdge Energy Bank. Before we begin, please be advised that only properly trained technicians and SolarEdge certified personnel are allowed to install and uninstall the SolarEdge Energy Bank battery. Make sure to adhere to all warnings and caution notes located on the battery, as well as in the manual itself. To maintain the battery warranty, an installation should only be performed if specifically instructed by SolarEdge to do so. Instructions will also cover cases where the battery is damaged and requires special handling. To uninstall the battery, you will need the RMA package supplied by SolarEdge support. Along with the RMA package, you will need additional tools to dismount the battery and safely handle it. The first step is to remove the battery from the inverter settings by using SetApp. Launch SetApp and scan the QR code on the inverter. Then, connect to the inverter by switching the on-off P switch on the inverter to the P state for 2 seconds. Now, follow the on-screen instructions until you reach the inverter commissioning screen. Once you get to the commissioning screen, tap Device Manager. Then, tap the SolarEdge Energy Bank pack. Now, swipe right on the battery you want to remove. As you can see, we have 2 batteries installed to our first inverter. Tap Remove, and then tap Yes. Now you can see we only have 1 battery installed. We move on to physically removing the battery. First, turn off the inverter using the on-off P switch. Turn off the inverter AC supply and the DC switch, if applicable. Remove the battery cover by loosening the 2 screws attaching the cover to the battery enclosure, and unsnap the battery from the top and bottom snaps. Open the inner transparent door and turn off the battery on-off P switch. Now, turn off the battery circuit breaker. Disconnect all the wires connected to the battery. Take the black rubber strip and attach it to the bottom of the battery. If required, remove the conduit holder from the battery. Loosen the 2 screws fastening the battery to the wall bracket. Attach 2 lifting handles to the top handle screw threads. Place the dolly under the battery, lock its wheels, and lift it until it touches the battery. The lift should have cushioning for the battery enclosure. While stabilizing the battery, use the dolly lift to lift the battery and detach it from the wall bracket. Lower the dolly as much as possible and secure the battery to the lift using ratchets or other securing straps. Once the battery is placed behind the RMA package, remove the ratchets and then tilt it into the package. Finally, close and secure the package and apply any required labels to it as instructed in the packaging manual. For more information about the SolarEdge Energy Bank, visit our website and our YouTube channel.